If CapCut is giving you error 249, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes to get your export working again. This error usually shows up because of hardware encoding issues, corrupted cache files, or export settings that are too heavy for your device. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's fix it step by step. First, open CapCut and go into the main menu. From there, click on Settings, then choose Performance. In the Performance section, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If it's enabled, turn it off by unchecking it. This is one of the most common fixes for error 249 because hardware encoding can sometimes conflict with your graphics driver during rendering or exporting. By disabling it, CapCut will rely less on the GPU and may export much more smoothly. After turning that off, don't rush to export just yet. The next thing you want to do is clear the app cache. Go back into Menu, open Settings again, and find the cache size option. Tap on it and clear the cache completely. Over time, CapCut can store temporary files that become corrupted or overloaded, and that can trigger export problems like error 249. Clearing the cache removes those temporary files and gives the app a cleaner start. Once that is done, fully close CapCut. Make sure it is not still running in the background. Then restart your device completely. If you're on a computer, reboot it. If you're on a phone or tablet, power it off and turn it back on. This step may sound simple, but it can be extremely effective because it resets memory, refreshes background processes, and clears temporary system conflicts that could be affecting CapCut. After your device restarts, open CapCut again and try exporting the same project. If the error is still there, the next fix is to reduce the export load. Go to your export settings and lower the resolution. For example, if you were trying to export in 4K, switch it down to 1080p. You can also reduce the frame rate if needed. Sometimes a project is just too demanding for the current hardware or software setup, especially if it includes a lot of effects, high-resolution footage, or multiple layers. Lowering the export settings can make the process much easier for CapCut to handle and often removes error 249 immediately. If you're still having trouble, you can also try checking whether your device has enough storage space available, because low storage can sometimes make export issues worse. But in most cases, turning off hardware encoding, clearing the cache, restarting your device, and reducing the export quality will solve the problem. So to recap, first disable speed up hardware encoding in Performance, then clear the cache, restart CapCut and your device, and finally lower your export resolution or frame rate. Those are the fastest and safest ways to fix CapCut error 249 without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.